Hello, good morning everyone. So it's our day 3 here in Bohol and it's currently 6:30 in the morning and mag-island hopping po tayo today. Kaya andito kami sa pantalan or sa daungan ng mga boat. And that's it. See you again later. Andun na yung boat namin. So, binook pala namin yung island hopping namin kay Bohol Package Tour Buddy. Sila din yung nag-arrange ng aming countryside kahapon. I took the chance, I lost it all. This is how to remove a bearing wall. Is there a way to get to you? There's so many things that I'm willing to do. And we're heading to a holding area and doon tayo magkakayak. So kailangan yung bumili ng skyfish para mapakain sa isla. So andito na kami sa holding area. Dito kailangan mong mag-register and they will explain the rules and regulations nila. We're heading na sa kung saan yung area ng pag-snorkelingan namin. Kuya Junjun, tawa. Junjun our tour guide. Dalawa lang kami ay nagpaiwan na sila ate and Jeff and Lucas kasi may mga pinupulikat. Sign of aging char. Hindi na kinayan. And then siya para maalagaan din si Lucas. Kasi hindi pa may enjoy ni Lucas to since baby pa siya. Later, papakita namin sa inyo yung mga fish or kung ano man yung makikita namin dito. Rocks doon, no? Opa! Iniwan siya ng opa niya. Tapos na kami kanina sa fish. So, ngayon naman, mga pauwi ka naman.
I've seen your face only once this weekend. Keeping busy, always things to do. Our situation still undecided. None of us knows what we wanna do. It happened last week when I stopped by your place. My hands were shaking when I rang your bell. And out of all the things we thought could happen, we ended up naked in your bed. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and that's for what it's worth. Give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't
ate. And yeah, we enjoyed our trip sa mga pauwikan. Kanina, nagsiswimming ako. Nakasabay namin siya mag-swim. So, ang sarap lang ng feeling. Yan, so tapos na kami, pero dumaan kami dito sa holding. Ang dami nakapila. So, much better na naagahan nyo para at least hindi rin kayo makasabay sa maraming tao. Alam nyo ba, nakakatawa kanina yung mga dolphin. Kasi pagdating namin, biglang labas sila sa tabi ng boat namin. Kaya, yan, naswertehan din namin. Nakatabi agad namin yung mga dolphin. Nakakatuwa lang din manood habang nagsuswimming kasi sila. Para kading bata na natutuwa. Nakakatawa manood ng mga dolphin. And then, yeah, sa mga isda kanina, ang daming isda. Meron mga blue. Pero yung laging lumalapit sa atin kanina is yellow and parang stripe na yellow and black. Na color ano na, blind. Ayun. And then sa pawikan, sobrang sarap ng feeling. Medyo nakakatakot lang kasi may cliff kanina and sobrang lalim. Wow! Anong tinitinda mo, Manang? Magkano po? Hello guys, so andito na kami sa Virgin Island. Dati daw, marami daw nagtitinda ng mga food dito, pero unfortunately, nung isang araw or last week ata, is natigil yung kanilang, pinasara yung mga nagtitinda ng mga food dito. Ang tatlong marites. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Virgin Island. Ang sarap naman ng tampisaw ng dalawa.
If you show me
sila na po yung dalawang alaga naming bata. Sige, go! Ano na, Serena? Ano ba? Nakasuot. Hi guys! We're here at Virgin Island. So, nagpapaitim kami dito. Actually, it's currently 10 AM. It's April. Hindi ko alam kung kailan nag-close or kailan pinatanggal yung mga nagtitinda ng mga food dito. Pero before kasi, maraming mga nag-iihaw-ihaw, may hotdog, barbecue, seafood, or mga etc. mga drinks.
You were the type that eclipsed the room. I was the one who arrived too soon. But no one would ever bet against us.
Wow, sweet!
If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when?
Hello guys, so for check out na kami dito sa Alona Grove and lilipat po kami sa Henan, Alona. See you there again. That's Kuya Ruel. Ayan din yung van niya. So, binook na rin namin siya from Alona Grove to here sa Henan. And he is so very accommodating and very responsive. He's from Bohol Package Tour Buddy pala. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung contact details niya. Okay, thank you Kuya ha. Sige, salamat. Opo. Thank you po. Hi, andito na tayo sa Henan. So, this is the lobby and pila lang tayo for check-in.
So, let me reconfirm, ma'am. Under our whole Leda Roxanne, you book for a deluxe room stay for 2 nights.
It's tuned up spontaneously. On and on like a marathon. We keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. Too busy watching the TV screen. Now we're just betting.
Sorry, Miss, ano yung binanggit mo kanina about the deluxe?
For the deluxe room, sir, if you will book it, we have the mandatory dinner buffet, sir. So if ever you will not avail the dinner buffet, we will not process the check-in process.
Required.
Required po talaga. If for the deluxe po. But for this one, it's a different category of room, it doesn't come with a mandatory dinner.
Pero since magbo-book din naman talaga kami.
Yes po.
Ano yun, every night? O just for the
One time lang po.
For the deluxe lang?
Deluxe lang po. But for other categories,
Ano mga category isang room?
Yung ano?
Premier room with direct to pool access.
Kayo po yung ID na.
Nobody's gonna come and save us. We cash in too many empty favors. Yeah. Now we go on and on with this poor love song. We've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts
Ginger ID.
This one, ma'am, just a quick question. When niyo po gusto niyo i-avail?
Tonight.
1097. And for your breakfast, we'll have it in the Coral Cafe. This will start 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And by the way, for your premiere po, ma'am, it will be around this corner here. It will be in 1031. And for the breakfast, this will be your first room, ma'am. So for our rooms, no smoking inside the room or even outside the veranda. No fake tattoo or henna tattoo allowed. And lastly, no bringing foods from the outside.
Tayo dito, ma'am. Nasa main pool po natin inside this building po. 8 to 8:30 p.m. po.
8 a.m.
Yes po. 8 to 8:30 po. Saka meron din po tayong swimming pool na lapit po sa beach. 9 a.m. to 12 midnight po. Stop na po. Ngayon. Yung isang key po dito lang. Dahil po 12 midnight. May bago po lang. Pwede po tayo mag-order ng pool ng beach at yung
Pansit bihon, kinilaw na tuna, inihaw na liempo, and rice.
Ano taga-hugas ng pinggan?
May ready na po.
Isang buwan.
Oo nga.
Balikan ka na lang namin dito after 1 month.
Calamari and dynamite.
Now we go on and on with this poor love song. We've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts?
Ayan, may tropa tayo dito. Ay, umalis na siya ng binidyo. Agawan ka. Sarap pa ba? May buhangin na. We're done eating lunch and dessert naman ngayon. Ano flavor siya? Watermelon?
Melon.
Ah, melon. Sa kanya, dragon fruit. Sa akin naman is mango.
Tuloy na lahat.
Nabili pala ito sa Bohol Bee Farm. Yun yung store. So, doon lang namin binili. Dito kami nag-lunch sa Hayahay Resort. And dyan lang yung Henan. Katabi namin. Hi, dahil na kami mag-lunch. Babalik na kami sa lobby para i-check kung available na yung room namin. Yung room nila, Rox and Ate, is available na and nakapag-check-in na rin kami. Andun lang yung mga other gamit namin. Pag available na yung room, so pwede na kami mag-swimming. Ano po? Simi-simi. Swimming. Yeah, swimming. Hi, good afternoon. So, it's room tour tayo. And pagpasok ko na dito sa door, ito pala is deluxe room ha. So, pagpasok natin sa door, dito sa left side, and dito yung ating mga closet. So, they have a safety box, hanger, and laundry bag. Meron din pala silang umbrella dito if ever nalalabas kayo na umulan. So, you can borrow that one. And dito naman sa right side natin is the bathroom. So, pagpasok natin dito sa table and bath, we have vanity sink here, vanity mirror, and may pa-blower din pala sila dito. Ayan. So, this is our water closet and towel. Ito pala yung kanilang mga complimentary toiletries. So, they have, shampoo, conditioner. And ito pala yung soap nila. And next is the shower. So, after ng toilet and bath, we have, mga cabinets here. Yan, dito yung kanilang kettle, glass, and walang laman. Andito yung kanilang mga mug and yung complimentary coffee. Next is siguro ito yung, dito yung kanilang ref. Tignan natin kung may laman. Ayan, charan, walang laman. Pwede naman kayong uminom dito or mag-order ng beer if you want to drink here sa room. Ito pala complimentary drinks din. Or water. So, andito pa yung mga aming luggage kasi waiting pa kami dun sa isang room namin, which is yung direct pool. And dito, meron din naman silang full mirror. So, before kayo lalabas sa for OOTD, check muna. And this is the bed. So, dalawa yung bed dito sa deluxe room. Isang single and isang double. They have a TV. And ito, cabinets. Ito naman is their table. Ayan, kung nag-office ka, makeup. Ganun. Okay, and coffee table. So, pwede muna kayo upo dito. Ayan, upo muna. Coffee. Actually, hindi rin naman nag-iiba sa room ng Henan sa Boracay. Almost ganito rin. And, ang focal point dito sa ating room is this one. The veranda. So, sige. Ni-slide pala siya. Ni-slide. Oh, slowly. Slowly, It's hot. I think it's hot. There you are. Okay. And this is the view of your balcony. Yan. Bawal pala mag-yosi dito kung sino man yung bawal mag-yosi. Ayan. Ito ata yung Henan Tawala, if I'm not mistaken. So, that's it, guys. Punta naman tayo dun sa kabilang room para i-room tour natin yung aming direct pool. Okay. Bungad ang ating ganda. Pagpasok natin dito sa room, so same din sa deluxe. So sa left side natin is meron tayong umbrella and 2 bathroom. And meron tayo dito slippers. And same din laundry bag, hanger, and deposit box. Dito naman sa right side natin is the toilet bar. So, pagpasok po natin, we have vanity sink and vanity mirror. Ang difference lang kasi, dahil ito is direct pool, so pag direct pool, we have a bathtub. So, here is our water closet and this is the shower. And this is the bathtub. Yeah. So later mag-enjoy na naman kami. Look up dito. Ito is kitang-kita yung loob. We can, para may privacy. Though kami lang naman ni Daddy and Lucas dito, pero syempre, pag nagsisiyar. And dito naman is, same din, meron ding full-length mirror for OOTD. And ito ang kanilang complimentary coffee mug. Ano meron dito? Ito na yung ref. Let's check na lang. Same din, walang naman. Ito yung kanilang water kettle, TV, and the bed. So, same din yung bed, isang single and isang double bed. Ito ang ating office table. So, for work. Dito may couch tayo. Si Lucas na nauna dito. Ito na yung kanyang playground. And next is here. What's that? Knock knock, say knock knock. Knock knock. Open. Okay. So dito yung hand. Ganyan talaga. So dito naman yung kanilang ito yung direct pool. So ito yung privilege mo. Let's go change clothes. Let's change clothes. Okay, change clothes muna kami. Then, swim, swim! That one. Kick! Come on, kick! Come on, kick! Where's your ring? Go! Get this, ha? Get this, ha? Hindi kasi ganyan. Get this, ha? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Get it! Get it! Get it! Ilapit mo kasi. Ang dami niya kasi hawak. Go! Oh, wow, yan na. Nagkikik na siya, oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Go get it! Get it! Go! Go, 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 go! Yay! Catch it! Catch it! Catch it! Go! Throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Go get it! ko. Ito mo. Susuko yung ano. Cute. Hindi lang itaas yung mataas. Itaas mo yung legs mo. Dali.
Naka-flow. Yung ulo.
Ito yung room namin. Ayan.
What?
Okay. So, ayan. Ito yung direct pool. So, ganito rin yung binook namin before sa Boracay. Other than this pool, meron pang pool doon. Tapos meron pang tabi ng beach front.
Ayan, nagabulutak na ako.
Ayan. Ayan na po yung ano namin. Yung bata po namin. Ba't dito mo?
Lucas! Ano mo?
Ninang, oo. Ninang. Iniwan ka na ng boat, manak. Come here, boat. Ano po? Ay,
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel love. You save me from the broken house that I've been. You took me in with open arms and I still want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I got you stuck in my memory.
Nagpe-prepare po ako na sa bathtub. Naglagay ako ng isang bath foam and nag-request ulit ako ng 3 pa sa housekeeping. Naglagay din ako ng bath bomb dito. So, may baon po tayong bath bomb like this one. So, isa pala rin nilalagay ko na isang bath foam. Ayan. Gamit ko na pala yung kanilang bathrobe. Come on, go down! Sit down. Yan. Is it hot or cold ba? Hot. Hot. Bubble! So, ayan na po yung ano namin, bathtub. Pero, medyo mainit pala yung naset ko. Waiting lang kami na mabawasan yung tubig para malamig na. Malamig na yung tubig para maging warm lang siya. Naging hot na kasi. Ayan pala si Daddy, natutulog. So, meron kasi siyang ganito. You can put this down. We will enjoy our bathtub first. Wow, bubbles! Dami niyang bubbles. Maganda yung kanilang bath foam dito. So, kahit isa lang yung ilagay mo, ang dami ng bula. Nana, wow naman yan! Wow naman po yan. Are you enjoying your bubbles? Kanina, ayaw niya kasi mag-swimming dun sa pool. Gusto lang niya naglalaro. So, I decided to stay here na lang sa bathtub para at least medyo mainit. And, nakakapaglaro pa rin siya. Kasi medyo nanginginig na siya doon. Naglagay ulit ako ng isang bath foam. Kaya medyo padami-dami na yung bubbles. Every time pala na pumupunta kami sa mga hotels na may bathtub, hindi namin hinihindian ni Lucas yan. Lagi kami naglalaro dito sa bathtub. Oh, so much bubbles. So much bubbles. Yes! Yay! Hi! Hi! Ayan, punang-puna na kami ng bubbles. Hello! Hello! Have a lot of bubbles! Blow, blow! Wow! Blow the bubbles! Yay! As sarap kasi ng bathtub, nakaka-relax. Ayan. So, dito rin kami nakakapag-banding-banding kasi ni Lucas. Other than playing toys, playing bubbles na rin. Yeah. Oopsie! Sorry! Mama siya. Sorry! Oopsie, look at mommy! I have a bubbles in my head. How about you? How about you? Let's blow the bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wala. Wala. How about here? Nag-enjoy muna kami while daddy is resting. Ayan. Si Ate Rox ay nag-swimming pa. So, ina-enjoy muna nila yung swimming while kami naman, ina-enjoy namin ang aming bathtub. Right? Now, we're enjoying our bathtub. Yay!
Sir, are you staying with us po?
Yes.
From what room number are you, sir?
1031.
10:30. Kung saan ito mag-check, sir, mag-correct ako na lang ito bago. Ang sita naman was partial result kaganina. Hindi na kayo.
Down and you're 10 feet underground. When you're so deep you're about to drown. When you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul.
Ayan, spell na lugi. Napagod na gusto ang bossing namin. Ayan, swimming for more. Hello guys, so nakabalik na kami dito sa room. So tired na. Ayan, buti na lang nakatulog ng konti si Lucas, kaya at least nakapagpahinga siya ng konti. And nakapag-dinner din kami sa Henan. In-avail namin yung buffet dinner tonight. Ang dinner nila is $8.99 per head. Pero yung drinks, hindi pa kasama yung drinks doon. Service water yung drinks doon. Then, if you want to avail the juices and mga other drinks, mag-a-add ka ng $250 per head. Para magiging unlimited na yung drinks mo. So, yung mga drinks ay lemonade, iced tea, juices, soft drinks, may beer din, and wine. Okay naman yung food. Masarap naman yung food. Unexpect kasi namin is buffet like yung may mga Japanese. Pero okay din naman kasi ay walang mga Japanese food. Basta nasa video naman yung mga food. Papakita ko na lang. Isisingit ko na lang sa clip. And yeah, okay naman yung food. Nabusog naman kami. Masarap yung pusit, malambot siya. Gustuhan ko naman din yung pizza and yung pasta. Okay lang din naman, masarap din naman siya. Okay naman yung iba. Hindi sinanonood yung pogi namin, yung bossing namin. So that's it guys. So matutulog na tayo. And see you again tomorrow. We will call it a day na. Bye-bye. Good night. We're so pogi naman. Sungit ng bossing.